Here I have BLUBOO Maya, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the settings, scroll down a bit, you have to go to the backup and reset options. Here you have to tap on the factory data reset, next on the reset phone, and for the last thing you have to tap on the erase everything. After that your device will be restarted in about a minute, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.